Is your Samsung phone's touchscreen not working or having ghost touch issues? Don't worry, here's an easy guide to fix the touchscreen or ghost touch problem. Let's get started right away. First, let's check your touchscreen for any hardware issues. Open the dialer app on your phone. Enter the code *#0*#. Try drawing on the screen. If you can draw around the screen without any issues, your hardware is fine. If not, there may be a hardware issue. Next, let's power down your phone. First, turn off your Samsung phone by holding the volume down and power buttons together. After your phone is off, hold and press on the volume up and power buttons until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo. Then, you will enter Android recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, follow these steps. Use the volume buttons to scroll up and down. Tap the power button to confirm selections. So, scroll down to find the white cage partition option. Then, select it by pressing the power button. Choose Yes and confirm by tapping the power button. After that, you will move to reboot your system. To reboot your phone, select Reboot System Now. Confirm by tapping OK. Your phone will restart. Once your phone is back on, follow these steps to adjust touch sensitivity. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Display. Scroll down to find the touch sensitivity option. Make sure to turn it on. After trying these steps, check if your touchscreen issues have improved. If not, you might need to update your software. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Now, tap on Download and Install. After that, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the software update. And that's a wrap. Your touchscreen issues should now be resolved. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for following along.